AngularJS. So in this session we are going to see the filter. In filter, uppercase and lowercase, we're going to look on it. So the meaning for this is it is used to modify the data. Filter is used to modify the data. Here we are going to see how to make the content into uppercase as well as lowercase, right? For this we make use of the pipe character along with the keyword uppercase, and for lowercase a pipe character along with the keyword lowercase. So let me create the AngularJS application. Click on File and go to New Dynamic Web Project. Give a name ANGFI. Okay. Now you can see ANGFI project is created. Go to SRC main and web app, and right click on the web app and create a new. Go to new and then folder. Click on folder. Now give a name for the folder, lib. The folder the folder is created. So here already I copied the AngularJS file, so I right click on it and I'm gonna paste it. I pasted the file in the lib folder. Okay, now web app, click on web app, right click on it, go to new and create the HTML file. Click on HTML file and give a name for this index.html. Now the HTML file is created. Again right click on the web app and create a JS file. Go to new and then file. Click on file. Now angdemo.js file is created. Alright. Now now change that title as I just give Angular filter. Okay, and then I'm gonna add this Angular to this HTML using a script element. So script I just keyed in the script element, assign the value file name to the src attribute. So what is the file name? Go to the lib, you can find the AngularJS file, right click and copy qualified name, and here you click paste it over here, the src. So just to have from lib forward slash angular.js is more enough. Okay, that's it. Now we have to go to AngularJS. Now create the var app equal Angular. Create the model angular.model. Already in the previous sessions of AngularJS I have explained how to create the model, right? So angular.model keyword, and then within the quotes give the name of the model. So ang app comma bracket. All right, so the Angular model is created. The name of the model is ang app. Okay, now app dot create the controller. So use the controller keyword app dot controller, and within the parenthesis give the name of the controller. So angctrl. Okay, and then comma I create the function. So this function contains the scope parameter, scope object parameter. So here what I do, the scope scope object contains a property named so property named, can give any name. Alright, I just use okay, st, okay, equal. So we just this property, it's an object, so it's going to have the key value pair. The key value is the first name colon within the name I just give Tiruchitrambalam, okay. Alright, I give it as state, okay. And then some here also I give it as state, okay, the value. Then comma, capital, I just give capital, okay, that's it. So I have created the object. I mean this scope object contains st property. It is an object. It contains key value pair state and capital, okay. Fine. Fine. Let's in index.html, what I do, we created, I just create the div element, okay. In this div element, what I do, ng-app equal, the app name is, just now we need to give the app name, the model name which we created, ang-app, alright, that we created in ang demo. So the model we created, the name of the model is ang app, so that name is given in ng app, that name is given as a value for the ng app attribute. So and then ng-controller, we have created the controller. Name of the controller is, go to ang demo.js file, name of the controller is angctrl, okay. So give that name angctrl, okay, that's it. Just to remove this exclamation, we can give data, so that will be removed, data, okay. Here what you do, so now within this, what I'm gonna do, first name, okay, I just create the label first name, and then input element in type attribute equal text, and here I make use of the ng model, which is used to bind the data between the model and the view page. All right, so here, so that's it. In the ng model, I'm going to give the variable name, I mean the go to ang demo. Here you can see the scope object contains the property st. St does have when this object does have key value pairs state and then capital. So I'm going to give st dot state. Okay, so that should be assigned in the ng model, st dot state. Okay, so whenever in this text box whatever I key in, that value will get updated in the st dot state value. That value will get updated in this place. Okay, and if I do any changes in this place, I mean in ang demo.js, if I do any changes in this place, then that will get reflected on the view page. All right, so that's the purpose of this ng model. So already I have explained in the previous session. So that's it. Let me last name. Okay, the last name, here again I create the text box, and here what I do, st dot capital. That's it. So now, and I would like to, whatever I key in, that should be displayed, right? So for this what I do, br okay, so within this how do we display the content on the view page? Using the curly braces expression, right? Using the curly braces, we need to give the, within this curly braces I'm gonna give st dot state. Okay, now in this session we are very specific to the, I mean our intention is to look on the filter. All right, so filter, how do we use filter in AngularJS application? So filter does have uppercase and lowercase. All right, so it does have order by currency, so those stuff, but here we are going to see uppercase and lowercase. So st state, so within this curly braces I am going to give st state. Okay, so that st property, I mean the st object state key value would be printed on the view page, but I want it to be in capital letters. So how do I do using filter? So just use the pipe symbol, pipe character, and then give uppercase, the keyword uppercase. So that's it. So if I run this, I will get the output on the view page. I will get first name label, and then a text box to enter the first name, and then last name label, and then the text box to enter the last name, and the output whatever I give it in the first name. All right, so otherwise I change this as the first name. Instead of first name I am going to give state. Instead of last name I give it as capital. Okay, so whatever so on the view page you will see state, the label, and then the input text box to enter the state value, capital, and then the capital label, and then you will find the input text box to enter the capital value, and next to that whatever you enter in the state text box, that will be displayed underneath the capital label. Okay, and that will be in uppercase. All right, so even if you give it in lowercase, that will be changed, that will be converted to the uppercase, because we are using the filter uppercase. All right, we are using the pipe symbol pipe character and then the uppercase keyword. All right, so if I give in turn, if I give lowercase, then the whole content would be converted to the lowercase. All right, so let's see first, let's see uppercase. Okay, how to convert. Let me run this. Okay, so we have yet to add this ang demo dot, this file is there, right? Ang demo.js file that should be added to this HTML file, so that we will have the access to this module app. All right, so now I have added here, you can see ang demo.js. right, so what I'm gonna do is state, and I would like to change even the text, whatever is keyed in within this capital. All right, I mean this next to the text box, I mean that I would like to convert the content of the text box which is near to the capital label into, I mean I would like to change the content of the text box into uppercase. All right, I mean I talk about the text box which is near to the capital label. All right, so what I do for that, I need to use the plus. Okay, I need to use the st single quotes, just to give a space I use the single quotes. Right, otherwise let me use like this. So again one more curly braces, here I give a space. All right, and then I use one more curly braces just to print the capital st dot capital. Okay, so which is nothing but go to the ang demo, you can see st object which we created that resides in the scope object, which does have key value pair, that is capital. So st dot capital, so st dot capital. Okay, so what the output I will get, I'll get capital, but when I give some text in this second input text box, that text the whatever the value I give, that will get saved in this place. All right, okay, fine. Let me, so here we need to change this st state to the uppercase. So how do we do? Just to the st dot state, use the pipe character and then give a space and then use the upper case. Okay, that's it. And here go to the capital st capital, next to here you can see the space and use the upper, I mean use the pipe character and then use the keyword upper case. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna run this. You will find whatever I key in the first and second text box, that gets printed on the view page in capital letter. All right, see, you can see the state label. All right, then the capital So let me close this so that you may get confused. So this is the output page we have got. You can see the Angular filter. That is the name of the page which we have given in this title, Angular filter. Okay, and then you can see state. You can see state, right? State colon, right? So which is nothing but we have given it state colon. We have given the label so that got printed, and here we have created the text box using the input element. So we do find an input, we do find a text box, all right? And then you can see capital, so capital colon, so that label we have given it here, capital colon, that got printed on the view page. And then we have created the view text box using the input element, all right, just to save just to get the input from the input for the value st capital. So that's the reason you can see the second text box, all right? So let me give some value for the state. I'm going to give Tamil Nadu. I just use the small letter TAMILNADU, and underneath you can see it got printed in capital letter. All right, let me do it again. You can see now you don't find anything underneath this capital label and the second text box. You don't find any content, right? So when I key in the first text box, you will find whatever I key in the first text box that got printed in capital letters. All right, so let me key in Tamil Nadu in small, TAMILNADU. All right, so here you can see Tamil Nadu. See, right? So Tamil Nadu got printed in capital letter because we have used st.state, okay, and then the pipe character, right? The pipe character, and then the uppercase keyword. So that's the reason it got printed in uppercase, all right? So now let me when I key in some value in the second text box, that value will be printed in uppercase because we have given st.capital, and you can find the pipe character, all right? Next to that you can see that we have used uppercase, all right? That's the reason it will get printed in uppercase. Let me give Tamil Nadu. The capital name is Chennai, so I give it in small letters, CHENNAI. So when I give it, you can see underneath you can see it gets printed in capital letter. See, Chennai got printed, all right? So Chennai got printed on the view page, all right? So that's it. So in this session we have seen what is the filter. It is used to modify the data, all right? So it does have like uppercase, lowercase, filter, order by currency. So in this session we have seen only the uppercase and lowercase, all right? So if you want to make all the character as lowercase, then we need to use the lowercase, all right? So we have to use the keyword lowercase, that's it. So lowercase, and when you key in whatever you key in here, that will be converted to the lowercase. So see, I'm going to give everything in Tamil Nadu. See, I give it in Tamil Nadu. Here you can see underneath you can see in lowercase Tamil Nadu, and for this Chennai I give it in capital letter Chennai, but here underneath you can see in lowercase the small letter. That's it. So in this session we have seen what is filter and how to make use of the uppercase and lowercase in filter. How do we make the content into uppercase and lowercase? How do we make the content? How do we convert the content into capital letter or small letter, that is uppercase or lowercase, using filter pipe character along with the uppercase and lowercase. All right, so that's for the session. Thanks for watching. Bye.